My impression of the Geith product is that it's a product that's built well. There's a renewed focus on making sure they can get the product to the customer as fast as possible, and I think that's an exciting thing. We always talk about safety, quality, and delivery. Those are our priorities from a factory perspective. It's just a unique product. Right now we've got around 700 PCB buckets ready to go, which is a partially completed bucket. It's a shell with the fitting on it, and as we receive those customer orders, we customize it and are able to move this through our factory at a very nice pace to get these out as soon as possible.
Based on our customer specifications, we take a partially finished bucket that's in stock. We can add teeth, side cutters and pins and ship the finished bucket within 2 to 3 weeks.
It's just a high quality product and very suitable for many customers with the different options they have of many different sizes of buckets, of teeth, and different styles of teeth that can go on each bucket.
To see a bucket like this and to think about what it does and the quality of it is just above and beyond what I would expect.
From a manufacturing perspective, it's great working with Geith. We really have a very high standard of quality and high expectations for what goes out the door.
Just going above and beyond to make sure we know everything and have everything that we need to be doing this process.
It's a good thing to be able to support building the infrastructure of North America, and I really enjoy the product. It's fun moving heavy pieces of metal through your factory and, really provide work that supports building the country.